In this demo, we will take you through the steps to spin up some VMs in the default network and explore their connectivity. The goal here is simple: to get comfortable with the components of networking that affect instances. Later, we will go into examples of configuring instances and networks. To add an instance, go to Compute Engine, VM Instances. Select a project from the top menu and click Create Instance. Remember, GCP resources, like networks and instances, are added and configured in projects, so whichever project is selected will be used. Give it a name unique to the project. Select a zone for its physical location. There must be a network and a subnet covering your chosen zone. If the default network is present, this will be the case because it has a subnet in each region. Pick a machine type with CPUs and RAM. You can customize this, but choose the micro config for now. Each instance comes with a boot disk and operating system. Select the latest Debian image. You can specify whether to open the firewall for HTTP traffic. Leave it blank for now. Click Management, Disk, Networking, and SSH keys for more settings. Click Networking. Here you specify the network and subnet. If only one subnet is available in the instance's zone, it will be auto-selected. In this case, it's the default network and subnet. The internal IP address can be auto-selected by the subnet or set by you. Leave it as automatic for now. An external IP is optional and can be auto-selected or set by you. External IPs can be ephemeral, which changes from boot to boot or can be fixed similar to Elastic IP in AWS. Click Create. Within a moment, the instance is created in the default network with an internal and external address. While this is processing, let us look at the default network. Click Networking. Here you can add networks and perform limited editing on the default. If you create new networks, you can choose Custom or Automatic. Custom allows you to create subnets, firewall rules, and routes from scratch. Automatic starts with a template similar to the default. We will talk about this later. In the default network, each subnet has a default gateway and the subnet can't be changed. They use 20 bits per network ID and 12 bits per instance address. So you can create up to 4,096 instances per region without another network. You can edit and add firewall rules. Default rules allow traffic on all ports between all internal hosts and pings, RDP, and SSH from anywhere. To add a firewall rule, click Add and enter source and destination hosts and ports and protocols. We will cover this later. To limit access to internal host, click the rule that allows all traffic between internal hosts. Here you can limit access by source IP range, tags or subnet, protocols and ports, and destination hosts. You can also define routes that determine how traffic is directed to destination hosts. There is one table per network. By default, routes are added for each subnet and a default internet gateway for all other hosts. You can view the subnet routes. To limit access to the internet, delete the internet route and replace it with a new one. To limit access to a subnet, you can create a new subnet rule with a higher priority or create a custom network. To peer with another network, you can set up a VPN tunnel and add a route to the tunnel. To add a route, click Add Route. Enter a name. specify a destination IP range. Set the route priority. Optionally, specify a subset of origination instances by instance tags. Set the location of the next hop, either the default Internet gateway, a proxy server, or a VPN tunnel. Skip this for now.